Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to finally stop moving? Not slow down, not take a rest, not sit quietly in a chair. I mean truly stop, completely, absolute stillness. At first that sounds easy. You're probably doing it right now. Sitting, standing, lying down, not going anywhere. But what if I told you that according to everything we know about the universe, you have never experienced a single moment of complete stillness? Ever. Not when you were sleeping, not when you were sitting in a classroom, not even when you thought you were doing absolutely nothing. Hello everyone, Mayambu Kurumjari. Welcome to EPOW Curiosity. Today we are exploring a strange reality hidden in plain sight, because the simple idea of standing still may not actually exist. What does it actually mean to be still? Let's begin with something familiar. Imagine sitting inside a moving car. You look at a passenger beside you. They seem perfectly motionless, but someone standing beside the road would disagree. To them, both of you are moving. So which view is correct? The surprising answer is both are. Because motion depends on what you are comparing it to. Physicists call this a frame of reference. And this simple idea changes everything, because the earth beneath your feet never stops moving. At the equator, Earth's surface carries you at nearly half a kilometer every second. That's faster than many commercial airplanes. Yet you don't feel it, because everything around you is moving with Earth. Your house, your city, the atmosphere, and you. But that's only the first motion you're experiencing it right now. Earth itself is also moving around the Sun. Every second, Earth travels nearly 30 kilometers through space. By the time you have heard this sentence, Earth has already moved hundreds of kilometers, and still, life feels perfectly normal. But we are not done yet, because the Sun isn't standing still either. Our entire solar system is orbiting the center of the Milky Way galaxy at about 230 kilometers per second. That's roughly 828,000 kilometers per hour. While you have been watching this video, the solar system has already traveled thousands of kilometers around our galaxy. Think that's the end of the story? Not even close. The Milky Way itself is moving through space. Relative to the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light we can observe in the universe, our galaxy is traveling at roughly 600 kilometers per second, or 2.1 million kilometers per hour. And on the largest scales, the universe itself is expanding, causing distant galaxies to move farther apart over time. In other words, motion exists everywhere we look, from stars to planets to galaxies to the universe itself, which leads to an interesting question. If Earth is moving, the Sun is moving, the galaxy is moving, the distant galaxies are moving apart, then what does it actually mean to be still? The answer is surprisingly simple. As far as modern physics can tell, there is no universal point of absolute rest, no giant marker in space that everything else can be measured against. Motion is always relative to something else. Without a reference point, the idea of speed becomes meaningless. And that's why complete stillness is so difficult to define. Every still moment of your life has happened aboard a world that refuses to stand still. Every conversation you have ever had, every meal you have eaten, every dream you have ever dreamed, all of it happened while you were traveling through space. And you never noticed because everything around you were making the same journey. Your house, your city, the oceans, the atmosphere, even the air in your lungs, everything moves together. Which creates one of the greatest illusions of everyday life, the illusion of stillness. Next time you think about standing still, remember what's actually happening. You are standing on a rotating planet, orbiting a moving star, inside a moving galaxy, within an expanding universe. And all of it is happening right now. Perhaps the strangest part isn't that everything in the universe is moving. It is that we almost never noticed. If this made you think, stay curious. Thank you for watching EPOW Curiosity.